Do you find yourself having less and less energy each and every day? Well, I'm sure you've heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This saying is very accurate, especially for a college kid like me. Today we're going to talk about a lot of different things. First, we're going to discuss some of the issues that skipping a daily nutritional breakfast can cause. Next, we will analyze how breakfast will benefit you and what to eat. And then finally, we will talk about the different excuses people use to justify skipping breakfast. There are a ton of different issues that come with skipping breakfast. One common one is the frequent energy slumps that we get throughout the day. Eatinghealthy.sfgate.com states that our brains and body need glucose to function effectively. If you think about it, when we go to sleep at night, we fast our bodies of food. That gives the glucose in our bodies a chance to leave our system. When we wake up, we have no glucose to energize us throughout the day. So it's a good idea to eat a healthy breakfast every morning so we are energized. It's kind of like fueling a car with gas. For example, most of the time on Mondays and Wednesdays, I get up at 8:30 to go to class, and then I go to gym for about an hour and a half. Well, I used to not really eat breakfast, and when I didn't, my workouts were only about 20 minutes because after 20 minutes, my body was so physically and mentally exhausted that I couldn't lift. I was shaking and I would get weak, and sometimes I would almost feel sick. Along with the frequent energy slumps, skipping a breakfast can also affect our weight. The USDA states that people who regularly eat breakfast are less likely to have weight issues. Those who do not eat breakfast tend to want to snack on more sugary foods throughout the day. So, as a survival mechanism, when we eat those sugary foods, our body stores the fat to please our bodies. And then we have physical effects to our body. Livestrong.com reports that skipping breakfast increases our risk of hypoglycemia. Another word for hypoglycemia is low blood sugar. Low blood sugar has results such as shakiness, dizziness, weakness, and blurred vision, just like I said that I had when I was at the gym. The Huffington Post of October 11th, 2012 says that roughly 31 million Americans skip breakfast each day, and I'm sure that now the numbers have increased. But that means that at least 31 million Americans are putting themselves at risk for these issues. How do we change this, though? There's a simple solution. Eat a healthy nutritional breakfast every day. Grab something nutritional and go on your way. If we do eat healthy breakfast every day, the benefits will come very easily. One benefit will be that it will give our bodies the glucose that we need to survive. Like I said before, that glucose allows our brains to focus, understand, and process things effectively and quickly. This is very useful when it comes to school and work. In a study conducted by the Department of Domestic Science in Milwaukee, Illinois in 2001, 10 parents were asked to alter their child's breakfast regimen for 4 successive school days. 5 were asked to eat breakfast, 5 were asked to skip breakfast. The results showed that the voluntary physical endurance and assessment performance was 65% higher in those who ate breakfast rather than those who skipped it. Another benefit, they say, is that eating a nutritional breakfast each day can increase our life expectancy. WebMD reports that with the right breakfast foods, our bodies are given the crucial vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed to stay healthy. If we stay healthy, we can stay alive much longer. If eating a daily nutritional breakfast is how these people who turn 102 and 103 end up in the newspaper, then I sure am going to eat a daily breakfast every day. But what are some of the foods that are going to get me to 102 and 103, you may ask? Well, eatingwell.nutrition.com states that foods with fiber, calcium, zinc, iron, and vitamins A and C are really well to go by. Some of these foods that fall into those categories are oatmeal, yogurt, peanut butter, eggs, and berries, all types of berries. If for some reason these foods don't pique your interest, that's okay. Something as simple as whole grain toast or even a granola bar with some orange juices would suffice. You just want to avoid the sugary cereals and cereal bars. With all this great beneficial information I've provided so far, you would think everyone would immediately want to jump into a daily breakfast routine. However, many people still argue and oppose the idea. Here are some reasons why. One reason that I myself, and many others specifically, skip breakfast is strictly due to time. Personally, as a college kid who takes morning classes, I scrounge for that extra sleep in the morning. Therefore, I sleep as much as possible. I sleep in as much as possible. Then, when I wake up, I only have a little bit of time to get ready and get out the door and head to school. That was always my excuse. Then I asked my cousin, who goes to Vineland High School and she is a senior, if she ate breakfast, and she said never. She does not have the time, and she is always in a rush in the morning. Analyzing these circumstances, I realized the answer is simple. Either you can go to sleep a little earlier, get a good night's sleep, and then wake up with time to fit breakfast into your schedule, or grab something small and easy to eat on the go. Anything from an apple to a granola bar would suffice. BestHealthMag.com says most people skip this meal because they have no appetite in the morning. They're not into breakfast foods. A good suggestion would be try different foods. Make a unique breakfast, like a liquid breakfast. If you get some fruit and your favorite yogurt, you can make a smoothie. That's also easy to eat on the go. The website also states that many people use their morning workout as an excuse. To me, a morning workout would only be a better reason to eat a healthy breakfast. Either you eat lightly beforehand, so you have an effective workout, or you eat a good nutritional breakfast afterward to keep you energized throughout the day. As you can see, the justifiable reasons to not eat a daily nutritional breakfast come really slim to none. To conclude, today we address the various issues that are brought on by skipping breakfast. Then we also analyzed how breakfast can and will benefit us and our bodies. And we wrapped up by discussing the many different excuses people use to justify skipping breakfast. I hope, as I bring this speech to a close, you carefully consider the health risks of skipping breakfast and become enlightened by the benefits of eating a nutritional breakfast. It's okay to forget once in a while, but it's the long-term strikes of skipping breakfast that really pose a problem on our bodies. With that being said, I hope that you are all eager and excited next time you hear those three glorious words, breakfast is served. Thank you.
Yeah.